Today, we're diving into how you can download any Instagram video directly to your photos. Whether it's a funny clip or an inspiring story, we'll show you how it's done. Before we start, it's important to talk about the legality and ethics of downloading videos. Always ensure that you have permission to save content from others. There are various methods to download videos. You can use third-party apps or online tools. Let's break them down. For iOS users, download an app like InstaSave. Open the app, copy the video link from Instagram, and paste it into the app to start downloading easily. For Android users, you might try Video Downloader for Instagram. Simply paste the link and tap download. It's that straightforward. To download videos from Instagram stories, use the same apps. Just tap on the profile icon, select the story, and download using the app. If you prefer not to download an app, there are web-based tools like DownloadGram. Just paste the video link and hit download. Remember, saving videos from private accounts requires permission. Always respect privacy. Once you have your videos saved, be sure to manage them efficiently. Create folders to keep your entertainment organized. And that's it. You now know various methods to download Instagram videos. Enjoy curating your collection responsibly.